Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keyboard accuracy issue, typing error in iOS 15.2. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. Let's fix this typing issue, mistyping issue on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 15. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is open your iPhone or iPad setting to fix this typing error, accuracy error on your iPhone or iPad. Then go to the general, then simply click on keyboard. Now guys, turn off the auto correction. Then you need to turn on the predictive. Then also you need to turn on the dictation. So if you have turned off the dictation, simply turn it on and make sure that you have turned off the autocorrection off and predictive on, and also turn on the dictation. So guys, after this you won't have this accuracy issue, you won't get the any typing error, you can type whatever you want to. So let me show you. Now as you can see, there is no typing error. I'm getting, I can type what I want to type. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.